I've been working on a special project here in the backyard, cleaning up a little bit, getting ready to do some stuff, and I'll show you what's up. So this is the area I'm working in. I've pulled all the leaves out to the side and around the back here, and then I'm going to bring those patio stones up all the way down here. And yesterday I started doing this, so I pulled it all out from over there and I put it all in here. It literally filled this, and then this is what I have left to do, so I'm gonna do that now. Probably not the best shovel, but it's going to be the one I'm going to use. It's a nice shovel island, so. Alright, we're done. It might be a little shaky, I'm using my hand. Here we go. Cleaned it up. No. There's some garbage here. You went through one of our recycling bins, so this is what I've got left. Cleaned up pretty well here. I'd say that little spot cleaned up pretty well. I'm super excited to build that. I got it January 21st, I think, was the day I picked it up. And I'm pretty excited to restore it. Apparently I'll wipe my face with my hands, but you know, long days. So I'm going to, I got hinges here. We're going to clean all this up too. This is all their pool stuff, so I'm going to throw that in this, and then I'll have a nice little work area. I'm going to throw that in the shed. Then I'll have a nice little work area. And then we're going to, I'll clean up in here with like trimmers. I'm going to move this wood stove to the other side. Get rid of these wood, find a spot for those pallets, and then probably about here. So there to there will be enough to build that. Like, it's a decent amount of room. Like, that'll be enough. And the dog will enjoy it. We'll have somewhere that's like out of the weather. That's why I haven't really worked on this, but yeah. Thanks for watching me clean up my backyard for a little bit. I look forward to seeing you again. Have a good one. Peace out.